Hello friends, today we will learn the difference between place value and face value. So what is the difference between these two? Place value tells the position of a number. Whereas face value tells me how the number looks. Say for an example, I have the number 74782. Okay. So if I want to know the place value of 4, then what is the place value of 4? 4 into 1, and after 4 just find how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3 digits. Likewise we will put 3 zeros. So this is the place value. But if I want to find the face value of 4, this is equal to 4. Face value of 4 is 4. Whereas place value of 4, what is the position of 4? This is the position of 4. Okay. So that is the difference between place value and face value. Now I will come to the charts that Indian charting system has. The Indian charting, the Hindu-Arabic chart, that is the number chart that we have. So when I talk about the Hindu-Arabic form, the number chart is given as, so in the Indian system of numbering, how do we write it as? Ones, then we have tens, we have hundreds. This makes a group. Okay, then after this we will have thousands, 10,000s. This makes a group. Then we have lakhs, 10 lakhs, which again is a group. And then we have crore and 10 crores. Fine. So this again makes a group. Say for example, now I take a number 4, 5, 7, 8, 7, 2, 5, 6, 9. Say I take this number. So to put it in the place value chart, what do I write? I will start writing from the opposite side. Ones, this is tens, so I will make demarcations. This is hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores. Fine. And now I will start putting the number also from right side. 9. Put a mark on that so that I do not miss with any digits. You can follow this method when you're writing in the examination as well. Or you can use a finger to demark whichever number you are writing. So if I have to write it by separating the number in commas, what will I do? So this will be a comma. 45, 78, 72, 569. Okay. This makes this crores and 10 crores is a group. Lakhs, 10 lakhs makes a group. Again 10,000 and 1,000 makes a group, and the rest. Fine. So when I write it in words, it will be 45 crores, 78 lakhs, 72,000, 569. So this is what I have it in the Indian place value chart. Now, when I come to the international place value chart, in the international place value chart, it is grouped into 3. Okay, how is it grouped into 3? Okay, first I have hundreds, tens and units place. Okay, 100, tens and units place. Fine. Again, there will be next set of 100, tens and units place, and these will be, okay, these will be coming under 1000. Okay, then again I will have 100, tens and units in, and this will come under the heading of millions. The next 100, tens and units will come under the heading of billions. Okay, so now if I have the same number that I was doing in the previous one, 4, 5, 7, 8, 7, 2, 5, 6, 9. So again I will write 5, 6, 9. I have grouped it into 3 and I have written next 3 groups because they are divided into 3. 872, then 457. So if I have to write it in words, I will write it as 457 million 872,569. So this is the difference between place value charts in the Indian form and in the international number system. So in the Indian number system, as you have seen, we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. We had the number as 45 crores, 78 lakhs, 72,569. When I came to international place value chart, it is 100, tens, units. Before that there is thousands, 3 divisions, millions also 3 divisions. The same number we had written it as 457 millions 872,569. Okay, so this is the place value chart. You can try a number of questions on that and comment me if there is any doubt. Next, I am coming to estimation. What is estimation? Estimation means it is not always right that I will get the exact number, but I can get an approximate number. Like for the party, there are approximately 500 people. But if you see, you would have had 498 people. You would have had 505 people. So it depends. But I will give an estimate. So I can have estimates to nearest 10. I can have estimates to nearest 100, nearest 1000, anyway. Now, first, if I have an estimate to nearest 10, say I have the number as 97. So, what is its nearest 10? So, to give an estimate, we have a rule. If the number that we are checking is 0 to 4, then the digit will be replaced by 0. And if the digit is 5 to 9, then it will be replaced by the next digit. Okay, by the next digit. So for example, I said here 97. Before that, let me do this. Let us take 45. So what is the number over here? 5. So 5 falls under this category. So place of 5, I will obviously write a 0. And in place of 4, I will make it as 50. Here I will have same digit. Okay, fine. If I have 93, then what will happen? As 3 is less than 5, I will write 9 and then I will put a 0. Similarly, 97, as 7 is more than 5, with 9 I will add 1. So this will become 100. Now if I have to calculate nearest 100, I will verify the tens place. My verification will be tens place. So 463. So I will see whether these digit is more than or less than 5. This both will be replaced by 0 for sure. But this one I will verify this. If this is more than 5 or 5, then this will become the next digit. Okay. This is the nearest 100. If I have 792, as 9 is more than 5, I will have it as 800. Say if I have 1096, as 9 is more, I will replace the hundreds place as 1. So 1100. Okay. I can have to the nearest, if I say for nearest 1000, then which place will I verify? I will verify the hundreds place. Hundreds place. Again, if I find the nearest of 10,000, then I will verify the thousands place. Okay. So accordingly, I will keep verifying and you have number of operations based on that. Okay. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Thank you.